In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your RAM cache on your Windows 11. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So go here to the bottom of the screen and click on right click. Click Task Manager and click on Performance and click on Memory. As you can see, I have like 1.3 gigabyte on cached on my RAM memory. So I want to clear some. What I have to do, I will just go directly to my browser and search for RAM map. So just click on it like this. Click on the first official links and click on download RAM map. Then click on the download file, click on application and click extract all and click extract. Right now I will open the first one, click like this and click yes. And you have to install it and agree for the term, and then it will open for you like this. What you have to do right now, you have to come here with your task manager, click on memory. As you can see, I have 1 gigabyte cached. I will just back here to my RAM map and click on empty and click right now empty standby list. And I will wait. As you can see right now, I have just 100 megabyte on my RAM cache. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.